Alright, so this is the Hcalory 8K heater with the 5-button and 6-blade. We are going to go into the programming. Press and hold the up and down buttons a little bit. This will go from 12 to 24 volts. You gotta catch it fast enough. So go through your settings and then you hit the passcode as 1 6 8 8. That's your hertz on your pump. I've got mine turned down to the 1.1, and then my high setting is down to 4.8. I don't need as much fuel. I live at 7,000 feet. I got a little more fan on the lowest setting. So instead of 1500, I turned it to 2700. Sorry, 1700. And you can even do 50 if you want, or 10. And then I turned this up to max, so 5,000 is the max you can go on that. You can't go up anymore. And then again, with that, the setting here is to save it. So we're gonna go on, and then you have to enter your passcode again, which is 1 6 8 8, and then it's saved. So that's how you get in there for the settings for your pump and your fan speed.